This is day 8 of testing recipes for my restaurant, and today I am making dumplings 2 ways. Now dumplings or momos are a project, and this entire batch took me half a day to make and they were gone in seconds. I started off by kneading the dough for my dumpling wrappers, then I cut small balls from it and rolled those out. Unfortunately, my rotis are not gold, so I used a cookie cutter to make the perfect round shape. You gotta do what you gotta do. Then for my filling, I chopped up some coriander stems, green onions, cabbage and mushrooms. I minced chicken thighs because they're the juiciest, added some basic seasonings, chopped vegetables, and the filling was ready. Now comes the toughest part. After having seen tons of dumpling shaping videos, I thought this would be easy, but it is not. It requires a lot of skill and precision. That's why my dumplings were kinda sloppy. Anyway, I steamed half of these in a bamboo steamer. You can use any steaming technique, and with the other half, I made pan-seared gyozas. This can take 8 to 10 minutes, so in that time, I made my chili oil, which is where all the flavor comes from. This is liquid gold. You should always have a jar of this in your house. Using this, I also made my dipping sauce, and finally the work is done. Garnish your dumplings with sesame seeds and scallions, and now listen. I literally inhaled all of these. They are so addictive and I simply loved them.